Hi guys. Okay, so this is week 15, list 13, I believe. I'm not totally sure. It's week 15. And here is our SAT vocabulary words for the week. The first word is glower. Glower is a verb, which is an action word. It means to look angry or sullen, to wrinkle one's forehead as if to sign or signal disapproval. So some of you like to glower at your parents when they tell you you can't do something on a Friday night. The next word is actuate. Actuate is also a verb, means an action word. It means to put into mechanical action of motion. So to get something to move mechanically. The next word is convalesce. That is a verb, another action word. It means to recover health and strength gradually after sickness or weakness. So some of you have had to convalesce after having COVID. The next word is another verb, devolve. It means to pass on something, like a responsibility or right or powers, from one person or entity to another. So to devolve, to pass something on. The next word is abase, another verb. It means to cause to feel shame, to hurt the pride of someone. The next word is an adjective, which means a describing word. Unwanted, it means out of the ordinary. Now notice this is unwanted with an O, not an A. The next word is a verb. It's seethe. It means to suffer violent internal excitement, to be in a state of turmoil. So some of you were seething the other day when I did not have the chance to put up the vocab quiz last week because my internet was not working. But no worries, you had plenty of time to take it over Thanksgiving break. The next word is petulant. It's an adjective and it means childishly sulky or bad-tempered. When I ask my children to put their toys away, sometimes they petulantly put them away. They don't really want to, or they have a bad attitude about doing it. Okay, this word is expiate. It is also a verb. It means to make amends for or atone for like guilt or sin. It's an action word. And the last word is Cavalier, and I don't mean the car, if some of you have seen those, a Cavalier. Cavalier means marked by or given to offhand and often disdainful dismissal of important matters. So when you're describing something and you use the word cavalier, it means kind of like that you think it's unimportant or you don't give it importance in your thoughts. So something, a cavalier thought about something. All right, that's it for the week. So there are your words for week 15, list 13 or 12. Not quite sure. Have a good week. See ya at virtual class time.